Hello, we're going to be talking about rational fractions. So the first thing is, how do you add rational fractions? Well, first, let's talk about adding fractions. Oh, here we have a nice little baby picture. So of a baby, nice little smile there. All right. And how do you add fractions? You can't just add 2 and 1 and 3 and 4 and get 3/7. That would be nice and way too simple. Because you have to have things that are like what we call a common denominator, right? Or the lowest common denominator sometimes is the easiest one to use. But for right now, for simple purposes, basically, I'm going to take 3 times 4, the two denominators, and multiply them together because that's going to make a common denominator of 12. Well, what do I have to do to 3 to make it become a 12? Well, I multiplied it by 4 to get 12 here, so I do the same thing here. But if I do it to the denominator, I've got to do it to the numerator. And then I also have to go to the other term, which is 4. What do I do to 4 to get to 12? I have to multiply it by 3. But if I do multiply this by 3, I also have to do the top. And the reason is, when you multiply by 1, nothing changes. Nothing changes when you multiply by 1. Like 5 times 1 is still 5. Okay? And 3 over 3 is 1. It's just going to change the way it looks. It's like I look this way right now, like my little flash shirt. I spun around, didn't even see it. It was so fast, right? Okay, so here we go. So now we multiply the top. 2 times 4, 4 times 3 is 8. The 3 times 1 and 4 times 3 is 12, 3 twelfths. Now I have a common denominator. I can add them and get 11 twelfths. The idea is the same. That's how you add fractions. Now we'll take that and apply it when we have variables in it in our next video.